Hey everyone, it's Teresa. Welcome back to my channel, Teresa365 TV. I'm coming to you all the way from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Anyway, I'm here to do a quick little tutorial video for you. I haven't done one of these in a long time, so here we go. Today's video is going to be all about how to land that final pose and how to exit out of that final pose. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to my room. Alright you guys, so before we work on that final pose, we have to make sure that our walk leading up to that final pose is just as fierce. So let's take it back. Let's start from the top of the walk. Now, when you start your walk, you want to lead off with the right leg here. When you lead off with the right leg, you're going to get that momentum, you're going to get that hourglass figure, you're going to get that same Victoria's Secret walk. Let's break it down. Starting pose here. Right, left, right, left. So the easiest and natural and most fiercest way to end on a final pose coming out of a fierce walk is to land on the left side, the left leg. As you can see, my entire weight and everything is pushed into my left hip. So I'm over here on the side, my left arm is naturally going to come up above my hip here. Looking at all of my judges. Tip also, whatever side you land on, you want to match that arm with that hip. If you do opposite arms, it looks kind of awkward and it makes, it looks very, very awkward. So left hip, left arm, we're looking at judges, here, here, here. Now, what you don't want to do is just turn out of this. You step back. You see how boring that was? No, that's something we don't want to do. We don't want to end on a boring note. You're going to be here. Your left arm is going to drop. We're going to switch hips over to the right here, and then we're going to turn over the right, like so. And when you do that final turn over, that's the last look for the cameras and the judges. All right, so let's slow it down from the walk. Right, left, arm up. Judges, judges, judges. Drop the arm, switch to the right. Last look, off. All right, so now I'm gonna do it with you guys mimicking me. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, out. Judges, judges, judges. Drop it, switch. Boom, and off. All right, so now let's do it all together. And our next contestant is Teresa Alvarez. Here, right, left. Good, switch it over, out, and done. One more time. So it's just that simple. All right, you guys. So that's a quick little tutorial video that I have for you on how to end on the final pose and how to exit out of that final pose. All right, you guys, be sure to follow me on my social media. You can follow me on my Instagram right here. Be sure to subscribe. Leave comments and questions. I love talking to you guys. I love answering your comments and your questions. If you follow me on Instagram, let me know. Tell me like, hey, I saw your YouTube. I want to follow you. Love to hear from you. But yes, take care. Bye.